Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to clean Audi TT headlights. First, gather all your necessary supplies. You'll need painter's tape, various grits of sandpaper, a polishing compound, and a microfiber cloth. Next, thoroughly wash the headlight lenses with car soap and water to remove any loose dirt or grime. Finally, carefully apply painter's tape around the headlight to protect the surrounding paintwork from accidental sanding or polishing. Now let's tackle that oxidation. Start by wet sanding the headlights with 800 grit sandpaper, moving in a consistent horizontal direction. Keep the surface wet throughout this process. After achieving an even, hazy finish, switch to 500 grit sandpaper, then to 3,000 grit, using vertical motions for each subsequent grit. This gradual refinement will remove scratches and prepare the lens for polishing, bringing back clarity. With the sanding complete, it's time to polish. Apply a small, pea-sized amount of headlight polishing compound onto a foam applicator pad. Using a rotary tool on a low setting, or by hand in small, overlapping circular motions, work the compound into the lens. Continue polishing until the headlight appears clear and shiny. Once satisfied, use a clean, dry microfiber cloth to wipe away any remaining polish residue, revealing a brilliant finish. The final, crucial step is protection. Apply a high-quality UV protectant or a clear coat specifically designed for headlights. This layer will shield the newly restored surface from future oxidation and environmental damage. Make sure to let the protectant cure completely as per the manufacturer's instructions, which often takes several hours. Regular cleaning and reapplication of protectant every 6 to 12 months will keep your Audi TT headlights looking new for years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.